Have you ever felt like taking care of your natural hair is just too much? Like no matter what you do, it is still dry, tangled, or just not cooperating? You are not alone. But also, it doesn't have to be that way. Hi, my name is Lita, and this is Natural Hair Motivation. Here, I share peaceful, empowering reminders to help you care for your natural hair with love and confidence. If you have been needing that kind of support to grow with your hair and glow from within, you are right where you need to be. Stick around, I am here to help you. Whether we realize it or not, we are each on a personal journey with our natural hair. For some, it is a smooth ride. For others, it feels okay. But for many, it is difficult, draining, or even discouraging, like a constant struggle. Wherever you are right now, I want you to know this is a judgment-free zone. It is your hair, your crown, your choice. But I do believe we can all benefit from some gentle support to make this journey easier and, yes, even joyful. One of the first things to understand is this: you created the burden in your mind. When you believe your hair is difficult or unmanageable, that belief affects how you treat it and how it responds to you. But if you shift your mindset to treat your hair with care and compassion, things will start to change. And who doesn't want that? So let's talk about how you can let your natural hair journey be easier from the inside out. Your hair is not a problem to solve, it is a gift to cherish. Every curl, coil, and kink is part of what makes you beautifully you. Release comparison. Your hair doesn't have to look like hers to be worthy of love and care. No need to overwhelm yourself with complicated steps or endless products. Start small and stay consistent. Cleanse your hair regularly with a gentle shampoo or co-wash. Moisturize with a water-based leave-in and seal it in with oil. Protect your hair using low manipulation styles and a satin scarf at night. Remember, simple is sustainable, and sustainable brings progress. Instead of chasing what is popular, tune into what works for your hair. Learn your porosity and texture. Find a few staples that truly nourish your strands and stick with them. Remember, more products give more confusion. Focus on results, not the hype. Don't let detangling stress you out. Make it easier for you. Always detangle unconditioned hair. Use a detangler or your fingers. Be gentle and take your time. Remember, this is a moment of connection with your hair. This is not a battle. Styles like braids protect your hair and give you a break. They are not just cute, they are practical. Let your hair rest and shine. Social media is full of advice, but not all of it is for you. Pay attention to how your hair responds to products, routines, and even the weather. Let your hair guide you, not just the algorithm. Use a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase to reduce friction, prevent breakage, and hold on to moisture while you sleep. This one is a must. Let your nighttime routine support your growth. And finally, this is not a race. There is no deadline to figure it out. Be kind to yourself. Track progress by how your hair feels, not just how long it grows. Celebrate softness, shine, and even the small wins. Now tell me, do you have any tips or mindset shifts that helps you? Share them in the comments below. Your story might bless someone else. And always remember, your hair is enough, you are enough. Grow with your hair, glow from within. And I will see you in my next video. Keep blooming, my beautiful ladies.